my name is Soumya and welcome back to my channel. So firstly, I have just come in the car to talk about everything that happened and the whole vaccine procedure and the process that I went through. Now that is because there is literally no peaceful place at my house. There's construction going on everywhere, so that's why I'm in the car. So starting with, I got my second vaccine on the 30th of June, and so the hospital where I went through was a little bit more messy than what I had gone for my first vaccine. I'm not going to name the hospital, but there were like 3 lines in which I had to stand before getting the vaccine. So the first line was for verification, the second one was for billing, and the third one was for the actual vaccine line. The whole process took like 1.5 hours. I was just standing in the line for 1.5 hours. There was literally no social distancing, and some people who had come for the co-vaccine, they were told to go away because the doses were over. Those people, they didn't know what to do, so they ended up waiting, and then the hospital called for vaccines from some other place and they got their shot. So today is the second day. 48 hours haven't been completed yet, but I haven't faced any symptom as in yet. There was no fever. I didn't have to take any medicine. I was just tired, but that's the way how I deal with life. And no headache, no backache, no body ache at all. So also, when I was getting my vaccine, I was so excited. I felt just so happy. That's because I haven't met any of my friends since the past 3 months. I was just waiting for both my vaccines to get over, and then I would finally actually step out. Right now also, I don't think I'll step out unless it's absolutely necessary, but it's just a whole relief and some burden off my head getting both the doses. Okay, so hi guys, I am done with both my doses of Covaxin, and today is the first day, so my slot was between 4:30 to from 4 to 5:30, and it's about 6 o'clock. I'm back at home. I'll tell you all everything what happened later, but just wanted to give an update. Right now it's all okay. It's not even paining much, but I'm going to have something because I'm very hungry, and then I think so after 2 days I'll give you all the update of what actually happened today. While those 2 days are on, I'll record all my after illnesses of the vaccine and stuff. So, okay, bye. Also, once I got my vaccine and I came back home, I just had a shower and now I'm ready to eat. After having my food, I just saw the sunset, watched some TV and played cards. So I think it's about 11 o'clock. I don't have fever till now, touch wood. Neither my head's paining that much. It's just that I feel a little bit weak and sleepy. So I'm just going to sleep right now. I haven't taken any medicine till now. So I'll check with you all tomorrow morning. Hi, so I woke up at 8:30. I didn't have any fever last night. I didn't take any medicine and I'm perfectly fine. I'm just a little bit lazy. Okay, so hi guys, it's the next day. I had lunch. I am perfectly alright. Only the stomach is hurting a little bit, and it hurts more if my parents tell me to do any work. Now I'm going to do some time pass. I'm going to watch TV, and uske saath I am going to complete my journal. Now this is something that I was planning to show you all quite some time ago, but I wasn't sure if I want to make a whole video about it or just incorporate it somewhere, because I never make vlogs. This is the first time that I'm attempting to make a vlog or something like that. So let's see. I'm showing you all my journal, which I made it on my own. So this is the book. It came with like plain pages like these, okay? So what I did was I colored the pages, and I have like dividers for each and every month. So starting with June, I have like pink color for June. I have a quote written out here, and then June I have filled it with stuff. Then stuff as in like to-do list, nothing like journaling, but like a to-do list. Then I have July. I have another quote written out here. It's orange. Also, this doesn't have the whole of 2021 and 22. It just has 2021 because I started in June and it ends in December. So because this book was small and I wasn't sure if I'll be able to complete it throughout the year or maintain it throughout the whole financial year. So I was like, let's try for some months at least. So this is July. This is August. And in the middle, on every page, like If it's August, so it's yellow in color. So every page has a border like this. What I did was I just painted it one side and then stuck the book like this and opened it. So it came on both the sides. So since August has light green color, I was planning to do like leaf prints. But all the leaves which I had were so dry that whenever I stuck them, it came like just like sponge dabbing. So I just continued with sponge dabbing and I drew small leaves here. Like every page has kind of like a different leaf shape. Jitna I knew. Okay, so that's there. Then for October, a turquoise color, and then the pages are also turquoise. Also, after the whole divider types, I left this page blank because I'm planning to print pictures whichever I take throughout the month, some of them, and stick small pictures like a collage. Let's see how much I'm going to do, but I'm planning to do something like that. Now November is my birthday month, so of course I had to make it blue, and I have left the pages blank because today I wanted the November month to be best, so I was planning on what to do, what I could add, I don't know, something different than all the other months. So today we're going to do November, and December is violetish purple, and this was the color that I had to make, so I wasn't able to make it again because I did it on 2 different days, so I wasn't getting the exact same shade, so I just did it with a highlighter. This is December. For November we are going to do sparkles. Also, talking about my journal, I did mess up the first 2 pages of the blue color, that is November. I ended up sticking sticky notes on it and making it look thoda decent. So I'll put pictures here so that you all can see what the mess up I did. So this is the first time I've tried something like a vlog. So do let me know in the comment section below if you all like it and if you all want me to make more vlogs. Thank you so much for watching the video. If you all like the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And until next time, bye.